On 25th April 2025, as the evening set in, the logistics industry witnessed Cargo NXT recognitions, an inspiring celebration recognizing trailblazers and transformers in the supply chain space. Let's find out which supply chain professionals took the recognition home. Anirban Sanyal, Head, Supply Chain and National Logistics at Century Plyboards Limited, was honored with the recognition of Sustainability Champion in Supply Chain. Nitin Dikshit, Supply Chain Lead at Shell India, was recognized with excellence in supply chain operations, driving precision, consistency, and measurable impact across functions. Animesh Gupta, Decision Scientist in Strategic SCM, was recognized as a resilient supply chain transformer, turning complex challenges into breakthrough strategies. Ankur Dekiwadia, Deputy General Manager, SCM at Safari Industries India, shone as a rising star in supply chain, making bold, future-ready moves in a dynamic logistics landscape. Pratap Singh Chauhan, Head, EXIM at Jindal Stainless, earned the title of Innovative Supply Chain Professional for reimagining supply chain frameworks through agile and inventive approaches. Varun Kakkar, General Manager, Supply Chain at Grasim Industries, Aditya Birla Group, was acknowledged as a digital transformation pioneer, shaping the future of logistics through tech-led initiatives and vision. Sandeep Satpathy, Head, Supply Chain at Tata Steel, was honored as an end-to-end supply chain leader, ensuring seamless integration, strategy, and delivery across the value chain. Let's hear from the leaders who are redefining logistics and shaping the future of global supply chains. Ankur Dekiwadia, Deputy General Manager, SCM at Safari Industries India.
Especially thanks to the Cargo Next event, who are recognizing such a talent which can contribute to the country's growth. This award is very special to me as I have 15 years of the experience in multinational companies and transformation the things from zero to making the company profitable and many more things. So when I get this such recognition, it feels me empowered. It boosts my inner motivation and it helps me to part of continuous growth of the organization, as well as also it boosts my motivation to make the India to the next level and country to the next level.
Pratap Singh Chauhan, Head, EXIM at Jindal Stainless.
First, thank you to Cargo Next to organize this wonderful event, and thank you to jury to give a consideration of this award. Yeah, it's my pleasure to receiving this award. In this industry, if we're talking about means I'm just last 7 or 8 years, I'm doing just change management.
At Cargo NXT, we believe in recognizing the people who move the world with strategy, strength, and sustainability. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and subscribe for more insights, stories, and upcoming recognitions.